लोग आपको इग्नोर कर देते हैं, आप केपेबल हैं, इंटेलिजेंट हैं, फिर भी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं मिलती। इसी से आपके मन में कई बार ये सवाल आता होगा कि लोग आखिर आपको इग्नोर करते क्यों हैं। And let me very clearly put this. It is not about intelligence, neither it is about luck. It's totally about signals. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about 6 invisible behavior which are stealing away respect from you and how people read these signals subconsciously and what small shifts you can do to earn back that respect. And not only earn back, but also command respect. So by the end of this video आपको साफ साफ पता चल जाएगा कि आखिर आपको इग्नोर क्यों किया जाता है और साथ ही साथ ये भी कि एग्जैक्टली आपको क्या चेंज करना है नोटिसेबल होने के लिए, रिस्पेक्टेड होने के लिए। Hello everyone, I am Dr. Christina, the author of Power of First Impressions, Mastery to Influence, Inspire and Succeed. And I am here to help you with your presence, your communication and your mindset so that you can live a life of your dreams. चलिए शुरू करते हैं इस इंसिडेंट से जो मेरी खुद की लाइफ में हुआ था। मैं एक सीनियर प्रोफेशनल के साथ काम करती थी। She was extremely competent, she was very intelligent and she was also very experienced. लेकिन जब भी वो मीटिंग में कोई बात करती थी, अपने आइडिया शेयर करती थी, लोग बार बार उनको इंटरप्ट करते थे, उनको बहुत ज़्यादा सीरियसली नहीं लेते थे। Whether she is there in the room or not in the room, लोगों को खास फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा था। इतनी सीनियर थी, एक्सपीरियंस थी और इवन केपेबल थी, उन्हें ये बात बहुत बुरी लगती थी। और इसी इंसिडेंट से एक छोटी सी लेकिन बहुत काम की बात मुझे समझ में आई, दैट इट इज नॉट हु यू आर which is being respected by people, it is how you show up which gets respect from people. So let's start with those 6 mistakes which you don't have to commit if you want to be respected anywhere by anyone. The very first one, you are not being respected because you apologize too much. आप बहुत ज़्यादा माफ़ी मांगते हैं, छोटी सी गलती होने पे बार बार apologize करते हैं, सॉरी बोलते हैं, अपने आप को शर्मिंदा करते हैं। Sorry, I want to say something, sorry to bother you, sorry, I might be wrong. ये सारी बातें अगर आप बोलते हैं, people are not going to take you seriously because apologizing unnecessarily makes you weak in position. When you constantly apologize for saying something, for feeling some way, or even for asking something, you are subtly signaling people that you are very inconvenient to be with. और आप ज़्यादातर गलतियाँ करते रहते हैं और सॉरी फील कर करके उसको और ज़्यादा बड़ा बनाते रहते हैं। You can say sorry when you have made a mistake, but to take your space, you need not say sorry anywhere or to anybody. So stop apologizing for taking space. The second thing जो आप बिना सोचे सिग्नल करते हैं कि आपकी disrespect हो, वो ये है that you over explain your decisions. If somebody asks you something and you say no to it, and then you feel guilty about it, and for the next 5 minutes you keep explaining मैं क्यों नहीं कह रहा हूँ, why I don't want this to happen, तो ये नहीं करना, because the more you explain, the more you dilute your authority. Try to understand this. Clear people state and insecure people only defend. You don't owe detailed explanation for any decision you take because boundaries need not be the PowerPoint presentations. And the third mistake is about your tone. Your tone lacks clarity. Sometimes it is not what you say, instead it is how you say it. Many a times when it is the time to take decision, to state something, हम fumble कर जाते हैं या बोलते बोलते जब हार्ड बात आती है हमारी आवाज़ लो हो जाती है, उससे हमारी uncertainty और nervousness का पता लगता है। And when we sound nervous and uncertain, people start doubting us and they don't respect us. हम में से काफ़ी लोगों की आदत होती है कि we start very loudly but when we end the sentence हम बहुत down drop कर जाते हैं और उसी वजह से आधी बात सामने वाले को समझ नहीं आती और जो समझ में आता है वो उन्हें लगता है कि हम नर्वस हैं और रियली ऐसा होता भी है। So start practicing saying any sentence fully and completely in the same tone. The tone should not be flat, but it should end also as strongly as it began. Respect increases when your delivery slows down because slow speech signals confidence. And the next one, very sensitive one. You laugh at your own opinions. मैंने काफ़ी लोगों को देखा है, इवन हम में से हर एक जब कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं होता है या फिर खुद को लेके 100% श्योर नहीं होता है, then we tend to laugh at our own opinions. Everybody has the right to have the opinion. And if you are having the opinion, you should stand by it. You should not laugh at it like a joke. And people also start taking it as a joke. उन्हें भी लगता है इसमें हंसी की बात है, तुम खुद ही पूरे कन्विंस्ड नहीं हो अपनी बात से, तो दूसरे कैसे होंगे? So whenever you are expressing your opinion, say it, pause and own it. उसके बाद उस पर हंसने की या एक्सप्लेन करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. And the fifth habit which steals away respect from us is that we always seek for validation even in mid sentences. आपने काफ़ी लोगों को नोटिस करा होगा, बोलते बोलते कहते हैं am I right? ठीक बोल रहा हूँ ना मैं? Do you agree with it? Occasionally saying such things is fine. लेकिन अगर आप लगातार अपने स्पीच में इस तरह के phrases को यूज करते हैं, then stop it. Because strong communicators don't wait for other people to agree to them. They give their opinion and then they stop and let the people absorb what they have said. Because confidence doesn't check for approval every 10 seconds. And the last thing, the sixth mistake which is stealing away is your body language is not matching your words. If you are saying you are confident but you are not looking confident, you say you are sure of something and then try to avoid eye contact, always remember, people believe your body more than your words. So stand grounded, sit upright and move intentionally because your body supports your message. So these were the 6 things which are stealing away respect from you. अगर आप भी ये सारी चीजें करते हैं या इनमें से कुछ भी करते हैं, it is your time to correct them. So now let's move on into a quick recap. The very first thing which is stealing away respect from you is over apologizing. Don't be sorry for whatever you see, whatever you say, and whatever you think. Next one is over-explaining. Whatever you decide, whatever you say, don't try to over-explain it. Nobody owes an explanation for your own choices. Do not have an uncertain tone. Whatever you are saying, your tone should say the same. The fourth one, very important one, do not laugh at your own opinions. If you are going to take them lightly, others will also. The fifth one, stop seeking approval. Say it, finish it, let people absorb it. And the sixth and the last one, do not have a weak body language. If you are speaking and talking about confident, let your body say the same. Now we are at the end and I would like to tell you that respect is never demanded, it is demonstrated. इसलिए अपने वर्ड्स को श्रिंक करना बंद कर दीजिए, अपनी बाउंड्रीज को सॉफ्ट करना बंद कर दीजिए और बार बार सॉरी कहना भी बंद कर दीजिए. एंड व्हेन यू डू दिस, पीपल आर गोइंग टू रिस्पॉन्ड यू डिफरेंटली बिकॉज वर्ल्ड ऑलवेज मिरर्स द सेम एनर्जी एज यू कंसिस्टेंटली प्रोजेक्ट. सो क्वेश्चन ये नहीं है कि लोग मुझे इग्नोर क्यों करते हैं या लोग मुझे रिस्पेक्ट क्यों नहीं करते. The real question is, am I showing up in a way that makes respect natural? And once you fix this, everything is going to change for good.